And people, just like I told you, you need to have a steady project, a steady product. A steady product is extremely essential. Once you will have a steady product that you have put in a lot of effort, that you have done, then you would be able to get results. I have also given you certain examples of some info products. Please take a screenshot for this. One training, consultation, series of trainings. You can create a course. You can have a physical product. You can have ebooks, as well as a physical workshop or event. So these are certain. I will give you a task and then I'll also share with you something else. Let me go more deep into it. Let me do something else for you. Everyone, just tell me once you are done. Okay. So this is the task. Make a video and write notes on the topic. Give some examples of info products. Give some examples of info products. Do you want me to create a sign up form in front of you and put it on a landing page? Do you want me to do that? Yes? You see the process live. Okay, good. So this is the list. I created the list today, right? 22nd September 2020 CM. This was the list that I created. Good. Okay. Then what I also did was I removed the double opt-in from the page. I removed the double opt-in from the page. That one person needs to subscribe just once. Good. The third thing that I did was I included certain emails in my email autoresponder so that आप लोगों के पास email autoresponder खुद से चले जाए. I did that also, right? Now I am going to create a sign up form. This is a sign up form in front of you. Let me click on the sign up form for you. This is our sign up form wherein I can collect the subscribers. So create a sign up form. I click on this, create a sign up form. The list is visible here to all of you, right? So now it has got two options, name and email ID. I want one more thing. I want the mobile numbers also. So what I'm going to write over here is name, email, mobile number. I have added this. So now I want a text input and this is a required thing. Listen to this. A mobile number obviously would be a text input, right? A text input, and this is a required question. So I have saved this field. I have saved this field. So save your form. So what I've done is now inside this form, what all things we are asking individuals, their name, their email ID, and their mobile number. Okay. Then we go to the step number 2. Now it will ask me that once a person subscribes, do I want them to be on the same page? I say no, I have created my own page. I want you to send them to a custom page. So here is my page. Once a person registers for my webinar, they go to this page. Congratulations, you are now successfully registered. You will get 2 emails from my side. What to expect? I have already created a page. Okay. So I will copy this page, Command C, and I will upload it here. That once a person registers, then he or she is redirected to this page. Thank you page. And if somebody has already registered, already subscribed, then again that person will go to this page. Now this is, I will also show one more page to you, rahulbhatnagar.com/many thanks. So these are the multiple pages that we have created. Okay, right. So people, this is the page that we have created, Rahul Bhatnagar. We are going to use this particular page. Here you go. It's our choice. Use any one of them. So we have created this and we save our form. Is this good till now, everybody? Is this good till now? So we created the list. We added one more feature in the form of phone number. Now when a person registers to my email, registers to the webinar, registered for the training, whatever I might be giving to them, then which page will they be redirected to? I have copied that. Now I will go to page 3. Now it's asking me who will install the page. It's so simple. I would say I would install the page. I would install the page. Now I have copied this. Okay. I have copied this. So people, I would go to the page. This page is launching loop. Okay. So this is my page builder. This is my page builder. So I've already created the page. एक बार मेहनत करके हमने हमारा पेज बना लिया है. We are going to go down and we are going to open here Rahul Bhatnagar. Okay, Rahul Bhatnagar. We are going to go down and open this page, the webinar. Here is the webinar page that we've already created. Okay, So I'm going to rename it 22nd. This is just for my reference. 22nd September 2020 webinar registration. Edit page. Now the page is going to be visible in front of all of you. Now you tell me, once the page is open, what all changes do I need to do on this particular page? Okay. Tell me, people, first change that you can see. What change do I have to do? Come on, everyone. You are intelligent enough. You know it. What I have to do on this page. Good, good, good. Everybody knows it, right? I got to change the date. So I'm going to click over here. 22nd September. 22nd September. Before I forget, I go down also. See, a landing page builder is so simple. Am I doing any coding or anything? No. I can just type it over here. 22nd September. Okay, right. So now I have copied the form. So this is what will be visible to people in front. Now I'm going to click on this. Click on style. Okay. Click on the settings side of here. And once I click on the settings side, I would automatically be able to put in the details over here. Right. Come on. So here I open the settings. So this is what I copied, right? So Command A, Command V. I copied this, it came over here. Now I will write over here, first name, email address, and mobile number. And I'm going to save this, okay? First name, email address, mobile number. So this gets saved and the coding has been saved over here. I have not done any coding at all. I just copied it and I pasted it over here. That is it. Now I'm going to go down because we have the form twice. I'm going to click over here, click on style, click on the same link, Command A, Command V, click here, right over here, first name, email address, and mobile number. Save. Okay. This does not take so much of time, by the way, but because we are also running a webinar, that is why it is taking some time. Now I will click on the preview page. Here is the preview page in front of you, right? This is how this page will look. So here you go. So people, what we got to do is we will put the first name, email ID, and phone number. So tell me, whose name should I put? Whose name should I put? Quickly tell me. Tell me. Okay, so Sagar, I have put Sagar. Sagar, tell me your email ID. Tell me your email ID very quickly. Tell me your email ID. Don't worry, we will not write your phone number. We will write Vikas's phone number, 7906992513. This is the contact number of Mr. Vikas. Now, Sagar, what is your email ID? All right, so this is the email ID of Sagar. I have copied his email ID. Command C, here it goes. Command V, reserve my seat now. See, I have clicked on reserve my seat and he's redirected to the same page that we had included over there, right? Many thanks. Do you remember? He's redirected to the same mail. Many thanks. Okay. Now we will go to our emailing list. Here, we will open the subscriber options. We will click on manage subscribers and you would see that Sagar has been added to the email list. It's so simple, people. You did it with me right now. Is it very difficult? No, right? We just need to learn the process and then you would realize that anybody can do it. Even a non-technical person can do it. Got it? So this works perfectly fine. This is how we have created the page. Sagar, please check your email. The mail would have come to your email ID and the second email would come to your email ID within the next 3-4 minutes. Please check. The email would have come on your email ID already. So this is how you create a form. You put that form onto that landing page and then you actually get it in front of people. That is how it actually works. Got it? Is that clear with everyone? Again, I will take you back to the page. People, understand this. Understand this. One more thing that I want to ask you. Okay. Did you notice something pertaining to the date? Did you notice something pertaining to the date? If you did, tell me what it is. Okay, tell me what it is. Anupriya says yes. The year. Okay, year, not so much. Don't worry, I'm not going to use the same page next year also. But good, it's a sharp observation. Something else. Something else. Come on, come on, come on. Something else. Time left. Good. It's a good observation. So we are also creating scarcity. Good, good, good. Something else. Think about it. 22nd was not. No, I mentioned 22nd. No, the year was not mentioned. That is it. Think about it. Number of ebooks. I'm saying pertaining to the date, people. Pertaining to the date. Come on. Think about it. Good, Elora. Elora has noted it down. She says the time was not mentioned over there. The time was not mentioned over there. Got it? Now, why do you think the time is not mentioned? Why is the time not mentioned? See, once a person goes to my landing page, he sees the date. He wants to become a part of the training. But then he says, okay, it is at 7:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., I am at the training. I will not be able to join the webinar. So he will not register for it. So that is why I don't write the time. A lot of marketers don't know it. I don't write the time. Now, once a person registers, he or she has voluntarily given me their database. Now, even if he or she does not attend my training live, I have still got their database. I will send them the replay. They will watch the replay. But if I have given the timing, then they will not register. At least 2%, 5%, 10% people will not register. That's the reason why you don't have to give the time. It's an amazing concept. It is, sir. All these things come after experience. And there are a lot of prominent marketers. I guided them to do this and their opt-ins increased by 20%. 20% एक बहुत बड़ा नंबर होता है सर. बहुत बहुत बड़ा नंबर होता है. आप सोचो अगर आपकी सैलरी, आपका बिजनेस हर 2 महीने या 3 महीने में 20% बढ़े तो आप कितना रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकते हैं. This is what you got to guide. That's what is important. Somebody has written, chances are if we don't know the time, we may still not. Rinku, see, it depends upon how you look at things. I look at things with an optimistic overview, and that is why we get the results. And it has worked for us. And we have generated more than 3.5 lakh leads. So what you have written over here, chances are if we don't know, that will not work. And why I'm saying that will not work is because what I'm saying is out of experience. What you are saying is out of assumption. That's the difference. Got it? Good. So what we do is when you are doing a training webinar, when you are doing a session, what you do is don't put in the date. Don't put in the timing. Just the date has to be mentioned. That's the key. That's the key. Now somebody says, but Rahul, if we don't write the date also, then a person will never register. They'll be like, I don't even know when this is happening. This might happen after 6 months. So they will not register. The date has to be there. The timing can be avoided. Got it? Everyone? That's important. And this is why I say this to people on a regular basis. With a mentor, your time to get results automatically increases. Sell repeatedly, people. And the reason why you need to sell repeatedly is, see, you are putting in so much of effort. You are providing to people someone helpful. You're providing to people something that is very helpful. That is valuable for them. That is so much helpful for them. So once you are giving them something that is so valuable, once you are providing to them something that is so very helpful, why will you not do it? Why will you not create it? Okay, people, do you want me to do something else for you? Do you want me to show you one more live demonstration right now? Come on, come on, come on. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my web hosting for you. I'm going to open my web hosting for you. So this is my hosting. We log into the hosting. Let me log in and I'll open the screen for you. My services, WordPress hosting. All right. So new share. Let us open the WordPress hosting. So this is my WordPress hosting. Okay. accept your GDPR. I click on my link, manage services. See people, the page that we had created, if you noticed it, that page was only created on my landing page builder. It was not uploaded on my website. Did you notice it? It was not uploaded on my website. So what I did was I downloaded the zip folder. Can you see? I downloaded the zip folder. Now I will open my pages, all the pages that we have created. I'm going to open them in front of you. Open file manager. Once I have opened the file managers, because there are multiple files inside this, now what we're going to do is, come on people. So these are my pages, Rahul Bhatnagar. So we'll open Rahul Bhatnagar public, all the pages inside it. Now I'm going to include this, upload files, and in my downloads folder, this is it, we upload this. So this is getting uploaded in front of you. Okay. Now the page wherein we get the registration done is rahulbhatnagar.com/training. rahulbhatnagar.com/training. All right. So this is getting uploaded. This has got uploaded in front of your own eyes. Now this is a zip file. So I'm going to extract this right away. I'm going to extract this right away. This is the zip file, extract archive. So this is going to create those page. So here is the page that we have created. The earlier page by the name training, we will delete it. We will delete the earlier page by the name training. We will also delete the zip file. It will be deleted in front of your own eyes. Deleted. Okay. And the page that I created right now, this is the page. Rename this page. People, it's very simple. I just rename it and I write training, done. So now this will be hosted on my page by the name rahulbhatnagar.com/training. Okay. rahulbhatnagar.com/training. Let me take you back to the PPT. All right. So let me just show you the entire sequence one more time. I've already told you that you need to sell on a regular basis. The task for you is, why should you sell on a repeated basis? Why should you sell regularly? Okay, that's one task for you. Why should you sell regularly? And this is the sequence that we followed. Again, I'll guide you. Don't worry. I just give you the information like I'm giving it to you on a spoon. Go eat it. Okay. So in your autoresponder, you created the list. Okay. That was step number 1. Create the list on your autoresponder. Got it? Next, set up the email sequence, the follow-up sequence. The first mail that will go to them, the second mail that will go to them. Third, sign up form. Create the sign up form. Fourth, copy the code from the sign up form. Copy the code from the sign up form. Paste the code on your landing page. Test it, whether it is working perfectly fine or not. We tested it with an email ID, right? The email ID of Sagar. 7th, download the zip from landing page builder. And it's an example. If you don't have a landing page builder, then you can use it on a simple page also. You can create the page using that email autoresponder only. Upload it on your website. 9th step is get traffic to your website. And once you get the traffic, whether you are awake, whether you are sleeping, people will sign up for your product. People will sign up for whatever you are giving them. Get traffic. Right now, people will sign up for a lead magnet. Okay, all my intelligent people. What is the lead magnet on that page? Tell me, what is the lead magnet on that page? Everybody, you know it. Right? magnet that page on rahulbhatnagar.com/training page. CM training, good. So two things, okay? Communication mastery training plus free ebooks. That is the thing that we are giving to people. Communication mastery training plus the free ebooks. Clear that with everybody? That is what we are giving to people as our lead magnets. And that is why people are signing up for it. Okay, people, I would also like to share with you my screen. Can you see my screen? Now, can you see my screen, everyone? Yes? Now you must be able to see my screen. Right, so see this. Page completed, everything done, date given, 22nd September. Here a person will register. They will go to the thank you page. If they register here, they will go to the thank you page, and then they would become a part of our emailing list. That's how it works. All right, good. So you can get people to your landing page and you can get their database. So this is the process that we follow. Now, once a person signs up for your lead magnet, he or she gets mail automatically. Mail goes automatically to them. Okay, your photo has to be there on that page for that connect. Now, then you mail them regularly about more value, give them more information, more value and more value. How do I give them more value? How do I do it? In the form of more ebooks. That is how Rahul does it. That is how I do it. You can call them over a webinar or an invite or something. So what you have done is you have given, give. And after that, then you can ask them for a monetary commitment or for taking any opportunity. Some people would buy, some would buy then and there, some will not buy. Send them the replay or offer again. Some will buy, some will again not buy. Regularly keep them giving value, give them more value on a repeated basis. Then again, sell after some time. Some people will buy, some people won't buy. Give them more value. And then again, sell after some time. That's the power, and that is how you will be able to connect with people and get those desired results for you. Please take a screenshot, everyone. I don't think I can make it in a more simplified manner for you. Have given to you the entire thing. या इससे आसान कर सकता हूं, आप लोग बताइए. And along with that, मैं आपको वो वाले मेल्स भी दे रहा हूं जो आपको इनको भेजने हैं. आप सिमिलर मेल्स लिखिए एंड इनको सेंड करिए. सिर्फ अपना नाम डाल दो उसमें. ट्रैफिक कैसे लाएं? फेसबुक एड चला के लेकर आओ, वीडियोस बना के लेकर आओ. मैं वीडियो बनाता हूं, मैं लोगों को भेजता हूं वहां पे. हाँ, यूट्यूब के वीडियोस भी भेज सकते हो, जैसे मैं भेजता हूं वीडियोस, वो भी हम करते हैं. That's the power. Got it? That is how it works for you. Right. So people, now is it clear with everyone? What is going to be your sequence? How do you get people? How does an autoresponder work? How do you get people to your page? How do you make them become a part of your community? Then you get them to a page, then you become a part of your page. Things happen, then they become a part of community. Then you regularly guide them and you regularly nurture them. This is known as nurturing your audience. When you regularly nurture them, you provide them with more knowledge, you provide them with more information. Gradually, they would become a part of your other offerings also. And gradually, you would be able to monetize that as well. It is as simple as that. But again, the entire thing is when you do it again and again, that is the good understanding, sir. Just we need to put in our own efforts. यार वो तो सच है ही ना यार. आप अगर efforts नहीं डालोगे तब तो the entire purpose gets wasted, no? And so everything that we are doing is not going to work for us. So the important thing is that you need to put in those efforts. You need to ensure that all the things that I'm guiding you, that all the things that I'm providing you, you put all that to use. You implement all that thing. You regularly guide people. You regularly provide people with that information. Once you do that, then you would see that it's going to work for you. It's going to absolutely work. Next is this. Do not worry about unsubscribes. And see what I have written there. As long as you are providing value. If you are providing people with multiple ways, if you are providing with people a lot of value, then you don't need to worry about the people who are unsubscribing. Of course, अगर आप उनको कुछ नहीं दे रहे हैं, if you are not giving them anything, then there's a problem, ladies and gentlemen. Then something is wrong. You got that? So that's the key. So you got to change it. You got to ensure that you change all those things and you create all those opportunities. Got that? That's the power. Somebody says how to create an ebook. I've already told you. Create the Word file, convert that Word file in the PDF, create the first page in the form of Canva, create it from Canva, and then you get it done. And then you sell it to people and then you send it over to people. Got that? So that is how you create and you get it to people. Next is clean your emailing list regularly by removing all those people who are not opening your emails or who have unsubscribed to your emails. Using that, you will be able to do it. And people, I have also given you a task. If you remember it, I had given you a task. Find out the pricing of the various autoresponders, choose one and then implement it for yourself. And if you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for a brand. And if you say, Rahul sir, how do we reach out to brands? I have given you the entire blueprint, how to reach out to brands also. Get them in your favor, get it monetized, make money, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you got to make a video and write notes on the topic, what do you understand by email cleanup? What do you understand by email cleanup?